Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going to go over some of the options that we have for replacing the upholstery in your 2009 through 2015 Mazda Miata. Alright guys, we have the seats pulled out of our customer's 2012 Mazda Miata, and the new LeatherSeats.com upholstery is already installed on the driver's seat. Before we install the passenger side, I wanted to show you a side-by-side comparison of the factory black cloth covers to our new replacement leather trimmed upholstery. Our Mazda Miata kit is actually designed for the original cloth to be removed before installation. As you can see, we use a similar style of attachments to the factory upholstery, including all of the necessary plastic clips and hog ring attachment points. For those of you do-it-yourselfers, you will need basic hand tools as well as hog rings and hog ring pliers, and optionally a clothing or upholstery steamer. If you're not looking to install this yourself, our upholstery is designed in a way that any local automotive upholstery shop can install it for you. If you're planning on having it professionally installed, give us a call and we can see if there's a shop in your area. Because we designed this kit as a true replacement to the original upholstery, once installed properly, we'll retain a factory fit and finish while maintaining all of the seat adjustments. They also include map pockets for both bucket seats and are fully compatible with the factory side impact airbag system. We offer a lot of customization options for the Mazda Miata, including two-tone colors, perforated inserts, or even a suede insert upgrade. We built this specific kit for our customer in single-tone black with a contrasting silver thread for all of the double-stitch seams. Upgrading your cloth to a LeatherSeats.com kit not only gives you a surface that is much easier to clean, but also gives you the luxury and durability of leather without having to upgrade to a more expensive trim level from Mazda. We built this particular kit in our premium leather trimmed content, which gives you leather on the seating surfaces and a matching vinyl on the sides and backs. You can also upgrade to a 100% leather kit, which is our highest leather content available. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the products we can offer for your Miata, or if you'd like to receive some free leather samples, feel free to give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.